Greetings! We're about to get to the snow, and so we got a new snow jacket so I don't freeze to death. I got a new Vcansion snow jacket. We're going to go ahead and check that out today, try it on, see how it feels. Wow, I can't believe that it actually comes in its own carrying bag. See-through pouch. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and jump into this guy here. So one of my favorite colors, as you know, is green. And what I love about this so far is that it's got a good heft to it. On the inside of the hood, it has a fleece lining that is super soft. Oh, I love that. It's got two buttons at the top. Then it's got a full body zipper that goes all the way down. And it's got a button at the bottom as well to keep it nice and closed up. It has a fleece lining on the inside. Has a snow ruffle that kind of goes tight around your waist to keep the snow from getting up into the jacket. It has a Velcro pocket on the inside. Other side, it has an open pocket. All right, this one here also has a lining that pops out. And it's actually like a glove. You stick your thumb through it. In the front on either side, it also has the windscreen or weather screen protected pockets with the zippers that come down. And it has the nice silky liner on the inside. All right. Throw it on. So like I said, on the arms, it has the finger holes. And we got a pocket here on the side, and this one actually is a waterproof pocket. And it also has the neck to go ahead and close up the neck while you're out in the snow. What I like is it's got the zippers on the side that are the waterproof pockets, so you're able to put some stuff in there as well. It has the buckles up on the top. And when you are zipping it up, it actually has the overlapping zipper to keep the water, the moisture, and the cold out of it while you're on the ski slopes. So this is pretty awesome. Also, take off the hood where it zippers here, so you're able to take it off and you can have just a regular jacket as well.